Good afternoon, thanks so much for checking out our just arrived Y61 Nissan Patrol. As you can see, this one here is loaded with features. You've got the bull bar at the front, worn winch, genuine Nissan snorkel. You've also got the roof racks up the top there as well. Of course, it does have the genuine alloy wheels, side steps, chrome mirror caps and door handles, Eclipse factory head unit with inbuilt satellite navigation, reversing camera. Of course, a tow bar at the back. This one here does have 7 seats as well, but certainly does present very well for the age and the case, only very few minor marks and blemishes. This one has about 115,000 kilometres and it has really good service history direct through Nissan as well. We do have a great range of low repayment finance options available, and this vehicle here is also applicable to a 10-year or 200,000k premium mechanical protection plan. I look forward to assisting with your inquiry soon. Thanks again for watching.